Hi all, good evening. Today is 11th of May 2021 and this is Nifty analysis for 12th of May. So first we will have a look at the chart, then the indicators and then open interest, and then we will try to devise a plan for tomorrow and for the next few days. So if we look at the chart, this is stuck in a range of 14,200 on the downside and 15,000 on the higher side. Let me take out few of the indicator. So if you see on this whole range from 14,200 to 15,000, RSI is between 40 and 60. So again, that is also indicating a range bound movement. As soon as we are going towards 14,200, we are getting bounce. Similarly, once we are reaching this upper Bollinger level, that is 15,000, we are getting selling pressure. So today again, yesterday once we reached towards 14,950, we could not cross above that. Today there was a gap down, we went above and again we are coming down. So this range of 14,200 or 300 on the downside and 14,900 to 15,000 on the higher side is still intact. Now we will see the open interest. So for open interest, I'll show you from the concept app. So if you see here, this one 15,000 is having the highest call open interest and 14,800 is having the highest put OI. So that could be support and resistance level. Today if you see the addition, there is huge call addition almost on the all strikes, and 15,100 at the highest one, and similarly on the put side we have this 14,650 is the highest addition. Significant puts were unwinded from 14,900. So now let's look at few other parameters. So this open high low close, I'm just putting it for my own tracking. That is there is nothing significant to check over there. Market is still above 10 EMA, and then this just we saw that maximum call open interest is 15,000, put 14,800, highest addition on call today was at 15,100 and put was at 14,650. Now PCR has come down, so that is negative, but interestingly this VIX is not jumping, so that means the fear factor is less in the market. So again, that is also indicating that this range bound market is still there. So if you see today's FIs and DIs figure, will not take index option because option includes both call and put. So if you see total today, there is heavy selling, 4,322 crores, and in index future the FIs have now total they are into short, like they have 18,000 contract short. So today was the first day towards the higher end of the range when we saw that huge short positions are taken by the FIs and DIs. So I have short position. So for tomorrow, this range what I am looking at is 14,600 on the downside and 50,000 on the upside. This is very trade tomorrow. This is for my understanding. I have sold 15,000 call and 15,100. So that I sold around 12 points. So my stop loss is 25. But basically this indicates that I am short, and I have this stop loss will be around 950 or something, depending on. But tomorrow is expiry, so again the stop loss on the premium and stop loss on the index will be different based on when that level comes. For example, if 15,000 let's say getting crossed towards the end, then the stop loss will be 15,020. But if it is in the morning itself there is a gap up, then at 14,900 also the stop loss can come. So tomorrow is expiry, so need to play accordingly. Basically on the higher side now we are, and we can see some selling pressure. So that's all for today. Take care, and in case you are using any analysis, please consult your financial advisor. Thank you. Bye.